This is NOAA Weather Radio, KWO39 Chicago. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for southern Lake Michigan, Lake, DuPage and Cook counties in Illinois, as well as Lake and Porter counties in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 2:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northern Kendall, northwestern Will, southern Kane and southwestern DuPage counties through 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Geneva, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Batavia, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Yorkville, Hinsdale, Lemont, Plano, Burr Ridge and Westmont. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 253 and 276. Interstate 80 between mile markers 130 and 142. Interstate 88 between mile markers 111 and 132. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 21. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, University of St. Francis, Aurora University, Benedictine University, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.